New pamphlet design for you. See the rest of this tutorial and learn how to create this pamphlet. Hi everyone, welcome to step-by-step PowerPoint. For creating that pamphlet design, in first step, select your appropriate size for your slide or pamphlet. For this, go to that design, slide size, custom slide size, and I choose A4 paper and put it in portrait. Now, when need a background for a slide, go to the Google and search texture. I insert my texture, rotate it, and make it bigger as same as your slide. Now, change its transparency. Right-click, go to Format Picture. Just tap and choose Picture Transparency and put it in 75%. For creating this box, I add a hexagonal. By Shift key, draw it and then rotate it. Make them bigger and put it here. Okay, we should delete this part that is out of our slide. For this, add a rectangle and draw it. Now, select your hexagonal and then your rectangle. Go to the Shape Format, Merge Shape, and subtract it. Remove its outline. In this step, we're going to add picture on your shape. Go right-click on your shape, go to Format Shape, and choose Picture Texture and select Insert. Choose your picture from your file. As you see, our picture is not in a correct rotation. So, for changing its rotation, go to right-click on your picture, go to Format Picture, and go to the text, go to the Fill, first box, Fill, and here, mark this rotate with shape. Okay, but as you see again, our picture is so stretched. For correct this, go to the picture format, crop, select more, and choose fill. And adjust your picture and select on crop again. Okay. Now, we want to make a shadow by color on this picture. So, copy of this shape, put it on that one. Go to fill, select on gradient fill, and choose your color. I choose this 3 color. You can change it and choose whatever that you like. And by select each stop, change its transparency and put transparency in 30%. Duplicate this shape 2 times and put it here. And by arrange, send it to back. Change color to solid fill and select color that you like. I download this color palette, so I use this color for my shape. Select your shape, go to solid fill, pick eyedropper, and choose the color that you want. Duplicate these shapes again. By selection pane, you can change its position and then change its color. You can add shadow to these shapes. Go to the shape format, shadow, and choose this shadow is okay. And change distance, size, and transparency and blur. In this step, we want to make these shapes. Go to the shape and select a hexagonal and draw it. Draw and then rotate it. Put it here and duplicate many times that you want. Align them by go to Align and Align Top. Now, add your picture to this shape. Select them, go to Picture, Texture and Fill, Insert, and choose your picture. we have that problem again, so I wanna repeat for you. Select your shape, go to Format, Pictures, and unmark this. Rotate with Shapes. If your shape is so stretched and the position of this shape is not correct, for doing that, go to Picture Format, Crop, choose Fill, and move your picture and select Crop again. Do it for all this hexagonal. Select all these shapes and change their outline. Go to Shape Format, select Outline, change its color and width. Put it in 3pt. Now you can add your text, names, and logo. Add your logo on top of your pamphlet, business name, company name. Now we need these lines. I want to tell you how to create this line. For creating that line, select Line and by Shift P draw a line, change its size and color. Put the color in black and put the size 4.5 pt. Right click and go to the Format Shape. Here in this line and arrow type, select this circle. Do it for other texts. For creating the bullet that they are here, we need a rectangle. Draw a rectangle in the size that you want, and then add a shape. Hexagon. Draw a hexagonal in size of this rectangle and put it here. Select both of them and remove their outline. Now select both of them again. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shape, and select Union. Okay, you draw that shape. Now change its color and duplicate it for other. For duplicating, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V as many times that you want. Select the first one in that right position and the second and the last one in the position that you want. Now select all of them. Go to Align Center, and then Align Distribute vertically and put in a position that you want. For creating phone number email box, create a rectangle in a size that you want and add a hexagonal and rotate it, put it in the same size. Select both of them, remove its outline. Select both of them, go to the Shape Format, Merge Shape, and make them union. Put the shape fill in white and the outline, put it in gray. It's okay. Add a shadow effect. Inner shadow is good. Change its transparency 70%. Duplicate this shape and rotate it. Okay, now add icon for phone number, email, LinkedIn, and Instagram. You can download any icon that you want from Google. Okay, so for next slide, duplicate your first slide. Select all these shapes and move them to the left side. We do not need these parts, so we remove them. Select all these shapes. In selection pane, you can select them in a better way. Rotate them and put them in the bottom of your slide. And also, you can resize it. Your shape has been changed and so stretched. Select your picture, go to Picture Format, Crop, Fill, and move your picture and put it in the right position that you want. We do not need these parts, so we delete them. In this step, we want to learn how to create this number. So, for this, add a text box and write your number. Change its font. Area Black is the appropriate font for this. Make them bigger. Change its color. Go to the text box and change its color. So for creating the line that is, open your shapes and choose this arc. Draw an arc, and by this orange point, make them bigger and also rotate it. Then change its weight and color. I choose this color from my color palette and change its weight to 3 pt. Move it and send it to the back of your text. Okay, we need a title. Our goal, duplicate this text, put it here and write our goal. Duplicate your number as many as you want and change its numbers. Okay, write your goals here and you can change, for example, join us. You can delete these parts. And for the last step, you can add your address and QR code for your website or Instagram page or whatever you want in your pamphlet. If you want to show your design in presentation in PowerPoint and your laptop, you can add transition to these 2 slides. Go to transition and select morph transitions and go to a slideshow and see what happened. Please don't forget subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.